Welcome to the Viking repair parts video. My name is Sean Kramer and I will be walking you through step by step for the repair parts of the maintenance kit in the Viking Model D2 air maintenance device. Here are the tools that will be needed for the repair parts. Prior to working on the D2 air maintenance device, refer to the appropriate technical data sheets for placing the system out of service. We will be covering the installation of the repair kit for the Viking Model D2 air maintenance device. The parts offered in the repair kit are as follows: diaphragm assembly, screws, the valve housing, which includes Schrader valve assembly, spring, ball, O-ring, retainer plate, retainer orifice plate, filter seal, filter, and the filter cap. To repair the Viking Model D2 air maintenance device, we will first need to remove it from the assembly by opening the union on the assembly and unthreading the air maintenance device. To replace the parts in the repair kit, we will need to remove the cover from the air maintenance device by removing the cover screws. Once the cover screws are removed, we can separate the cover from the body. With the cover now removed, we can remove the spring, spring retainer, and the diaphragm assembly. At this point, we can now turn the air maintenance device over to access the valve housing and the filter cap. Remove the valve housing from the body. Install the new valve housing into the body. Unthread the adjustment screw from the cover. Now we can turn the air maintenance device back over and place the new diaphragm into the body. Place the spring retainer in the center of the diaphragm assembly. Place the cover onto the body. Line up the holes of the cover with the holes in the body and install the cover screws. Place the spring into the center of the cover. Reinstall the adjustment screw. The air maintenance device can now be reinstalled into the assembly by threading it back in, making sure that the outlet lines up with the assembly trim. With the air maintenance device now properly installed back into the assembly, we can now close the union on the assembly. This concludes the Viking repair parts video on installing the maintenance kit in the Viking Model D2 air maintenance device. If you need additional information or have additional questions, please visit our website at vikinggroupinc.com or call our toll-free number at 877-384-5464.